I stand before you, accused of many crimes, but I wanna believe that love can still survive. You don't have to say it, I don't have to read your mind to know that emptiness is finally arrived. How was I know right from wrong? Words were hardly spoken, so where did I go wrong? Tell me honestly, if you're still loving me, looking into my eyes, honestly. Words have more meaning if they're said a certain time. I need you now so I can feel alive. How would you know if so won't give me some time to see if everything would work out, you and I. Oh, I'll be lost forever, or someday I may find the words that I've been searching for, or just some peace of mind. Tell me honestly, if you still love